Hello everybody, I'm Chef Ben Mattman from the Vancouver Marriott Hotel. I'm your growing chef for today, and we're going to talk about emotional vegetables. Vegetables which evoke emotions in you and me. And for me, it's going to be zucchini. I've got some zucchini here. They come in different sizes. You got little ones, you got big ones, and then you got wee baby zucchini. I've got a zucchini start here, which I'm growing in my windowsill for a couple of weeks until it gets bigger, and then I'm going to plant it in my garden. I'll have lots of zucchini for me and my family. So you ask, why does zucchini, what is it about zucchini that makes me happy? Well, originally, whenever I saw zucchini, I was sad. Because my dad was a chef too, and he used to do lots of great dishes at home, and one of the dishes he made was called ratatouille. You may have heard of it. It's sauteed onions, bell peppers, eggplant, tomato, and zucchini. And I didn't really like zucchini too much, so every time I saw ratatouille on the table, I'm like, ugh, zucchini, and I was sad. But now zucchini makes me happy. Do you know why? Well, one, I learned to enjoy ratatouille and all the great dishes my dad prepared for us when I was a kid. And two, I really like to cook zucchini. And one of my favorite dishes is this dish called zucchini noodles or zoodles. So the first thing you do is you take your zoodler and you make your zucchini noodles. It's pretty easy to do. You just keep twisting and twisting until you get all your zoodles cut. There we go. We got a bunch of zoodles. Now we're going to cook them up. So over here on the stove, we've got a nice hot pan here. We've got our zoodles here. Look at these zucchini noodles. We're going to cook them up quickly. Put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. And we're going to add our zoodles. A little bit of salt. A little bit of ground pepper. Stir them up, saute them up in that olive oil. You hear them starting to sizzle. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oregano here. So I've got some dry oregano. So we'll sprinkle the dry oregano in here. Sauteing up the zucchini noodles. A little bit of chopped garlic. And some marinara sauce. Now as you cook the zucchinis, you're going to get a little bit softer. Like noodles. When you cook the noodles in the water, they start to get softer too. As your zucchini noodles or your zoodles get soft, you're going to finish them up and get them ready to go. So I'm going to finish with a little bit of chopped parsley. As you can see, the zoodles are getting soft. Stir them up, cover them with that marinara sauce. We're going to take some of these zoodles, give them a big spin. Top it with a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Zoodles or zucchini noodles. See you all next time.